go. We're landing. We made it. We landed.
We're in Jamaica, guys.
Woohoo! Oh.
God, you look tired, man.
Thank you. Yeah, it's not far. I think it's about. That's what I was trying to get. Because I remembered it was upcoming.
Basically the same whip. This is a Toyota, the last one was a Suzuki, but it literally is the same thing. Do you use the thing now?
Yeah.
So I'm just opening the gated door.
Yeah, it comes in to us.
Alright, so here we go, we're driving.
No, so okay, let's go to, oops, closing, it's closing, it's closing. Well done, it was closing.
Did it hit the car?
Yeah.
I thought it had sensors.
Never mind, there's nothing we can do. It like closed on the side, like it clipped it, I would probably say. There was a scratch down it already.
On this, look.
Oh no, is it a big one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what it's like.
That gate is...
Oh, he's still got his mash up light, hasn't he?
Has he?
Yeah, looking at the back of his car today.
Yeah,
he just needs to keep it basically open or keep it shut. Because it ain't working.
Alright, so we went through the gate.
Oh yeah.
And I've only been in the car. Obviously, you got to remember we've been driving and we've driven out that gate loads of times. We stopped just for the gate, but the gate gives you about 30 less seconds to get through it. But it's supposed to be sensors on the gate that doesn't shut. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, so I've just been scrubbing the front of the car. So basically, the gate was shutting on us, and just I was like, you can see, got through, but it has scraped the side of the car. But it's like, obviously the paint off of the gate has come off and it's left it on the side of, like just on the wing over the wheel arch. But I've managed to scrub the paint off, so it doesn't look like it's done any permanent damage. But there's a few scuffs there, obviously. But
let's go to the cambio.
Anyway, live and we learn.
Chris, it's old.
Hazel, how are you getting on in the back there?
Got to put the sat nav on.
This is John
Down.
Right, lock it. There we go, we're locked.
Whoa! What was that?
Are you alright?
Yeah. Christ, what happened?
Nothing, just the brake is unbelievably... Sorry, mate.
It's alright.
So I'm in drive, but the brake is like so harsh.
You'll get used to it.
Oh, she's a baby, alright?
Yeah, she's fine. She's buckled against the seatbelt.
Jesus Christ, nicer than bloody Hitchin, isn't it?
That's nice.
I love Jamaica. Isn't it Wesley?
Mm-hmm.
This is a good amount. I'm gonna open your window now, okay? It's ruining his gates. Yeah, it is. What, you mean it's over?
No, closed and the bottle rolled onto the floor. Oh look, there's a gym up there.
Two in there, and then I saw some others as well.
Princess
Film the geezer.
Princess
Oh, shut up about that. Yeah, I'm sure. You can go up that way as well.
Oh, I'm not sure really.
Yeah, I want to go down near that one. That's a bar there as well.
Jojo's bar.
The side.
Well, on the
Did you
side.
see?
Look at
Yeah.
this. We
Yeah,
never
no.
went in this last time.
No, we haven't been in there. I saw it last night and I thought, oh, that's nice.
Some
Here's Burger
posh
King.
bit. Here, this is the cambio
Yeah,
here.
on the left. Yeah, there's nice little plazas along here.
Busy, isn't it?
Yeah,
Where are we?
this is Saturday.
Is this the cambio?
It is.
Why are we at the cambio? Why?
'Cause we're gonna
So
be
Mummy's got to
hosting
get some money. You got my wallet, didn't you? Do you want to get out and just go in?
Yeah, how much am I changing?
The whole thing, 200.
Why are we
200
getting money?
English pounds.
Yeah, just go on and get out.
Why is it money at the cambio?
I've got the baby, obviously.
I know. Look, there's a white lady. Look,
There's a what?
the white lady. Drive. Looks nice around here, man.
We don't want any money. We won't have any money.
Yeah, I know we ain't gonna get any money. Don't worry.
We'll have something else than money. We'll have toys. There's no money.
Oh, shut up, T.
What does that say?
Where?
That thing.
Don't know what you're on about, man.
Why
Oh, tie or something like that. There's a car behind me, man.
I don't know what it says. Do you know? Why is she getting money?
Can you park down there?
Is there food in the cambio?
Huh?
What does that say?
Where?
Your part. Does it say
Organic.
how? There.
It says organic. It's getting so hot at the back of the phone already, do you know what I mean? Misha's gone into the cambio to change up a few quid, you know what I mean? And then, and then we're gonna head over to the Sovereign Centre in Kingston. Let's have a look.
Yes, the Sovereign Centre.
What do you think about the Sovereign Centre, T?
I think we're going to get some.
What are we gonna get? What food are we gonna get? Island grill.
And KFC
Are we? Alright. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. No, we will.
Mmm.
Okay.
I know. Oh, we got his bottom.
If you fry it, that's enough protein for literally, like, you have to see.
What is that?
Pig heart.
Oh, wow.
You slice it.
Mm. Very nutritious.
It is actually. It's extremely good for you. So the brain and liver.
Oh, let's look over here. Mummy spotted a nice section. Oh, Melly. Oh. Say hello, Hazel. Say hello. Say hello. What are we doing? What are we looking for? Miss V said we don't need any seasoning. Who wants some meat?
Me.
What's meat good for? Yeah? For your tummy. What's meat good for? Mmm.
What's the meat?
Oh. Alright, let's see what we got. What do we actually want? What did you say, Hazel? I know, me too. Let me move you in a bit closer.
Good.
Ooh, that's a big bit of meat down there. Down there. There's some mince. How much is mint?
Bit of mint.
It's not that big.
That's a big bit of.
What are we gonna get now, guys? Maybe not. I was looking for yogurts. Should we get some? Maybe get two. Oh wait, hold on. What butter do you want?
What are you saying? Oh God. Hazel, what happened to your face? Mosquito bite.